When you decide to get CRM software for your business, it feels a lot like choosing a home base for your company. You need a solution that matches your current scale, yet stays strong once your business starts to grow. Today, we're comparing two major names across the industry, Salesforce and Zoho CRM. Salesforce has traditionally led the space for large enterprises, while Zoho has gained a loyal audience by delivering comparable power at a much lower price over the years. Now, let's find out which platform truly deserves a place on your desktop for everyday teams and long-term planning.
To start things off, we have to talk about the first thing you'll notice when you log in, the interface. Now, if you're looking for something that feels familiar right out of the gate, Zoho CRM generally takes the lead here. It's designed with a no-nonsense layout that most folks find pretty intuitive. They have this feature called Canvas that actually lets you drag and drop elements to design your own workspace, which is great if you want to keep things simple for your team. On the other hand, Salesforce is a bit of a different beast. It's incredibly powerful, but that power comes with a learning curve that can feel more like a mountain. Since it's built to handle every possible business scenario, the menus can get crowded. In recent years, they've leaned heavily into the Lightning experience to make it sleeker, but you might still find yourself reaching for a tutorial or calling in an admin just to find a specific setting. It's a professional-grade tool, and it definitely requires a professional mindset to master. Moving forward into how these platforms handle your potential customers, both systems do a solid job of keeping your leads organized. Zoho treats lead management with a very straightforward approach. You can pull leads in from your website or social media, and the system makes it easy to see exactly who needs a follow-up. They even have a built-in business card scanner in their mobile app, which is a lifesaver if you're still doing a lot of in-person networking. Now, when we look at Salesforce, the approach is much more data-heavy. It uses what they call a 360-degree view, which basically means it tracks every single tiny interaction a lead has with your brand across every department. If you're a large company where the marketing team, the sales reps, and the support staff all need to stay on the same page, Salesforce is unmatched. It also uses Einstein AI to score your leads, telling you which ones are actually likely to buy so you aren't wasting your time on window shoppers. It's sophisticated, though you usually have to be on the higher tier plans to get the most out of those smart features. In addition to managing individual leads, you need a clear way to see the big picture of your sales. Zoho uses a classic Kanban board that's very easy on the eyes. You can see your deals moving from initial contact to closed won just by dragging cards across the screen. It's perfect for small to mid-sized teams who want to see their revenue at a glance without getting bogged down in complex configurations. It's simple, it's visual, and it just works. However, if your sales process is more like a complex web than a straight line, Salesforce starts to show its strength. Their pipeline management is infinitely customizable. You can set up different territories, manage complex partner relationships, and track multi-year contracts with ease. While Zoho is great for standard sales cycles, Salesforce is built for those high-stakes, multi-step deals that involve dozens of stakeholders. It gives you a level of granular control over your sales stages that most other CRMs just can't touch, though you'll spend a bit more time setting those stages up initially. Following that, let's talk about saving time, which is where automation comes in. Zoho is famous for its blueprints. Think of a blueprint as a digital map for your sales team. It ensures that a rep can't move a deal to the next stage unless they've completed specific tasks, like sending a follow-up email or attaching a contract. It's a great way to keep your process consistent without needing a computer science degree to set it up. It's automation for the everyday user. But if you need your CRM to be a set-it-and-forget-it powerhouse, Salesforce's Flow Builder is the industry heavyweight. It allows you to create incredibly complex if-this-then-that scenarios that can trigger actions across your entire business. It's a lot more work to build these flows, and you might need an expert to help, but once it's running, it's like having an extra employee who never sleeps. Furthermore, we have to look at how these systems help you make sense of your data. Zoho provides a really solid set of standard reports that cover things like sales performance, lead sources, and monthly revenue. Most businesses will find exactly what they need right there in the templates. They also have an AI assistant named Zia that can predict when a deal might fall through or suggest the best time to call a client. It's helpful, accessible, and gives you a clear look at your numbers without a lot of fuss. That being said, if your business lives and breathes data, Salesforce is likely your winner. Their reporting is almost famously deep. You can cross-reference any piece of data with another, creating custom dashboards that update in real time. With the integration of Einstein Analytics, the system doesn't just tell you what happened, it tells you why it happened and what's likely to happen next month. It's the kind of high-level insight that enterprise-level companies rely on to stay ahead of the competition. But for a smaller team, it might honestly be a bit of overkill. The bottom line is that Zoho CRM is a good sign of value and simplicity, which makes it perfect for startups and mid-sized teams who want to hit the ground running. Salesforce is actually best suited for large enterprises that need total customization and advanced AI. So, ready to see which one fits your workflow? Click the link in the description to start your free trial of either platform today. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more software insights like this.